Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing good. In today's video, I'll be sharing my graphic eyeliner look with you guys, and it's super simple. It's really trendy and eye-catching, as you can see. So if you want to know more, keep on watching. Before that, if you're here for the first time, hi, I'm Meha. I do makeup review videos, tutorials and more. So if you're into that, consider subscribing. So without further ado, let's nerd over some makeup. I'm going to start off with eyeliner. I'm using Lakme's Insta liner in the shade Blue. Here I'm just drawing a simple winged eyeliner. I think this is one of the easiest graphic eyeliner looks you'll probably see. You know, it's really simple. So I'm just starting off with the normal winged eyeliner. I have a detailed tutorial on how I do winged eyeliner. I'll leave the link below, so check it out. Here, yeah, so basically I'm just drawing the eyeliner here. I was inspired by my favorite creator on Instagram. Her name is Shalini. I'll leave her Instagram and YouTube links in the description. Please check her out. If you like my content, you'll love hers. It's absolutely relatable. You can learn so much from her. She's amazing. So she used to use this eyeliner and I was like, wait, I want to try that too. You know, she inspires me so much. It's absolutely wonderful. I just love it. And you know what? I may even wear this eyeliner out. I mean, not like this, but just like a normal eyeliner. Pretty cool, huh? So here I think I'm done with both of the eyes. Just finishing up the, matching both of those eyes. Yeah. Next, I'm going to be using Maybelline's Colossal liner. This is to outline the already existing winged liner and give it like a comic look. You know, I was inspired to do this because I saw Nykaa Tutorials do an entire face like that. I mean, oh my god, she's amazing. And I was just trying to do it just on my eyes and it took me so much time, but yeah, it's so nice. I like being creative like this, but this is completely out of my comfort zone. But I'm so proud of myself that I'm trying something new. What would you like to try if you get the chance to try it? Yeah, let me know in the comments. So this is what I did with the eyeliner, basically just outlining the blue liner that I just made. And this eyeliner really has a thin tip, so it's really easy to outline if you are planning to do something like that. If you like detailing, this is a good pen. But I have some thoughts about it. I'll let you know in another review of this. Just check the description if you are watching this in the future. So that is how I did my graphic eyeliner. It turned out to be so great. I'm really proud of myself. What do you think? Let me know. I'm going to do the rest of my face, starting with my brows. Here I'm using Maybelline's Fashion Brow Cream Pencil in the shade Dark Grey, and I'm almost done with it. If you have any recommendations, leave it in the comments below. For concealer, I'm going to be using Maybelline's Fit Me Concealer in the shade 25 Medium, and I'm just dotting it under my eyes just to conceal a little bit. And I'm going to be blending it with my beauty blender or makeup sponge. This is from Disguise Cosmetics. I have dampened it and I'm using it to blend it my concealer. So this is kind of close to my skin tone, maybe a little light. It gives a highlighting effect and brightens up my face instantly. So that is good. I'm going to be using the same concealer in another shade for contouring. This is 50 Cafe, and I'm going to be blending that as well with the same sponge. So it gives me a little defined look, with this really dramatic eye going on. I want my face to match that level. For lipstick, I'm going to be using Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink in the shade Amazonian. And with this blue especially, this shade really goes with it. It's a peachy brown nude shade for me. Perfecto. Next, I'm going to be doing a highlight using Maybelline's Master Strobing Stick in the shade Pink. So this is really easy to use. I just dot it on the high points of my cheek and I just blend it out. Very little though. And this is probably going to last me a very, very long time. I'm going to take a little bit on a brush and put it on my inner corner just to highlight it and give it a pop of shine, which is, I like it a lot. So that's what I'm doing here. Next, I'm curling my lashes. This is from Miniso. If I find the link, I'll leave it in the description box. For mascara, I'm going to be using Total Temptations by Maybelline again. And this gives me so much volume, you guys. And especially after curling the lashes, it just looks absolutely wonderful. And I enjoy it really a lot. So this is the look. I can't believe it turned out to be this great. I mean, I didn't expect it. I thought I'll really mess up the liner, but I know it's not perfect, but I really love it. I mean, this is not my comfort zone and I tried something new. I hope you liked it too. If you did, do give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram at nerdovermakeup. What do you think about this look? Let me know in the comments below. And I will see you next time. Bye bye.